In this video, I will be showing you how to add Chatgpt to Google. Let's get started. First, I navigate up to my browser's address bar, type in the Chatgpt website link, and hit enter to load the interface. Once the page is fully up and running, I head over to the top right corner of the Google Chrome interface and click on the 3 vertical dots to open up the main settings menu. I scroll down the list of options until I see extensions, hover over it, and then select Visit Chrome Web Store from the side menu. Now that the store page has loaded, I move my cursor up to the search box at the top left that says Search Extensions and Themes. I click inside and type out the phrase GPT for Google. After pressing enter, the store displays the search results. I scroll down a bit past the initial results to locate the specific extension titled GPT Search for Google. Once found, I click directly on it to open its details page. On this page, I look for the bright blue Add to Chrome button on the right side and click it. A pop-up box appears asking for confirmation, and I click Add Extension to proceed. I wait a moment for the download and installation process to finish. A notification window pops up in the top right confirming that the extension has been added, and I close it out. Next, I click on the puzzle piece icon in the browser toolbar, which opens my extensions list, and select GPT Search for Google from the drop-down menu. This prompts a sign-in window to appear on the right side of the screen. I click on the email address field and type in my account email. Then, I move down to the password field and type in my password. After entering my details, I click the blue Sign In button. Once signed in, I navigate back over to my open Chatgpt browser tab. I click on the 3 vertical dots in the corner once more, open the Extensions sub-menu, and check the Extensions pane. To verify everything is set up correctly, I click on the puzzle piece icon again to see my active extensions. The extension is now fully authorized and visible right alongside my active tools. That is how you add Chatgpt to your Google browser experience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.